Welcome to today's guided meditation in honor of World Mental Health Day. In this meditation, we are going to take time to check in with our body and energy and give ourselves the space we need to heal. Begin in a comfortable position with eyes closed. Feel where your body is in space. Feel the gentle pull of gravity on your body. Gently tugging you down to the earth. Connect with your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest. The expansion and contraction of your lungs. Breathing in and out. In and out. Take a moment to do a scan of your body, paying attention to any discomfort, pain, or tightness. Start at the very top of your head, breathing in and moving down your body slowly as you breathe out. Down to your chin. To your neck. And further down. Take note of anything that feels off, but don't dwell on it. Down to your chest, your stomach, your hips, and down to the very bottom of your body. Take a deep breath here. And breathing in, start to work your way up your body, noticing anything that feels good. Starting at the very bottom and breathing out as you move your attention up to your hips. Up to your stomach. To your heart. Your shoulders, neck, noticing anything that feels good with your body, up to your chin, your face, up to the very top of your head. Breathe deeply and just be aware of the state that you are in. Feel yourself grounded and stable in your body. Take the time out of your day today to do something for self-care. It could be a grand gesture like a vacation, a bath, or a meal. Or it could even be something as small as taking a stroll in nature, touching the earth for a moment, or making yourself a nice hot cup of tea. Connect again with your breath, feeling the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Feel the heat of the air as it exits your body. Breathing in and out. In and out. Move about in any way that feels good, slowly coming back to your body in this time and space. And whenever you are ready, slowly open your eyes.